Hi, good morning all. This is SK. I hope you all did very well yesterday, ending up in green. Let's see what we have in our e-mini. I have changed few trend lines. I have added this trend line here, this blue trend line as a target, and I have added this red trend line here. You can add as well. We have changed the 269. There is no more meaning left to 269. We have added 264 and we have added 2057. So let's see what we have right now in our e-mini. I think what's going on here is, let's see the bigger picture first. I mean, do you anybody see this is shoulder, this is head, and this is shoulder. It's a formation of shoulder, and we will be testing to the 2026 very soon. Remember, we are in the second week of the month, and second week is a position making month. We do not get very aggressive in the second month as second week, as second week is the position making month for the monthly guys. Monthly guys are scaling in to make either a short position or a long position, but the overall picture is that we are going down, we are bearish. There is no all-time high coming, as of now. One of my friends emailed me that, SK, do you think we are going for the all-time high? If you're talking about 1, 2, 3 year time, we're gonna explode too high. We're always in bullish. If we are talking yearly chart, we're always in bullish. If we are talking quarterly chart, we are not always in bullish, but we are going towards bullishness. So what I'm trying to say here is that um, we need to understand that what we are trying to do, we are trying to make a swing trade 2, 3, 4, 5 days, a weekly trend, and then with the trend we want to make the money. So as of now the trend is suggesting that we are going down. As of now, trending suggesting that we can poke through this or we can poke through this, and eventually we have to go down. We have to break towards the downside. Right now I'm not very aggressive buying for long swings, but I'm aggressive to buy swing as a short. Or what you can also do is you can do scalp long, and you can scalp short. Right now we are in a breakout mode. We can at the open, we can test this blue trend line. After testing this blue trend line, I will not be surprised if we tested this guy, this dotted blue line. After testing that, eventually we are going down. Let's look at the weekly chart, guys. Weekly chart, this thing, this needs to get tail. If it even closes above here, this does not make us bullish, as we going to remain below our green trend line. And this green trend line, as I have been mentioning this, right, that we can go sideways like this, and after going like this we're gonna eventually go down, and we're gonna, this purple trend line we need to test. Let me do monthly for you guys. This purple trend line I'm expecting to test soon. From the sideways, we don't have to go to 18 or 17 or something like that. Eventually if we go sideways enough, we will test this about 1975, 1978, and after testing this, it's going to be a next leg up. Eventually, yearly, we're going to go up, but as of now it's in a bear trend. It's in a breakout towards the bear side, because big institutions are selling. There is no big institutions buying. Market makers are sidelined. These are all pre-market. Pre-market, they are buying and they're facing sell-off. They are buying, they are facing sell-off. So right now we are going down. It's not going to be a swing long, it's going to be a swing short, or you can say it's going to be a scalp for the long guys. I'm not eager to buy here. We're gonna test this. We're gonna test this. It's better to sell at testing of this and looking for the bounce at the bottom. Looking for the bounce at the bottom. Two targets below. After testing this or this, we can either test 264 today, we can test 257 today. Let's say you can say, SK, if we go higher, what's gonna happen? What can happen is I'll not be surprised even if we poke this green trend line, but going higher than green trend line will be climatic. I think, even if they poke through this green trend line, the scenario, the case for bears is okay, because the weekly, we are closing at the week. Maybe the short sellers, they're gonna take big positions at the end of a week. Like, I believe we have a Fed meeting as well this weekend. So I think, it's better to wait for take any long position. We are facing big time resistance, and there is no all-time high in my scenario. No to all-time high. Let's look at the monthly chart, guys. Monthly chart is looking in a breakout mode, but remember, we are in the second week. Second week with not too much going on in the economy. The elections are coming. So much is happening. This guy is not exploding as of now. That's for my opinion is that's for sure. I am not long at all. I'm bearish. At the end of the month, remember this picture. There is a chance that next couple of weeks, next 2 weeks, which gonna form our monthly candle, we can get all the bearish here, and we can test to 2026. I'm not bullish as of now, not at all. I think it's a better opportunity to buy SDS. Like, you can buy VXX. Short this bounce in any form. It's time to short this bounce. It's not time to go long on this bounce. Too much resistance, too much things are coming. Like, this can poke through this, and then we can see a sell-off. How the market going to open, it's difficult to say. We are opening again near the blue trend line. It's going to be a scalping mode. It's not going to be, sorry guys, it's not going to be one directional trade. It's going to be a confused trade. As I have been sharing from Monday, that second week of the month is always confusing. Second week of the month, big monthly guys who are trading in million and billion of dollars, they are forming their position. When they are taking their position, when they are making their position, like, things look very prominent, but eventually we're gonna see that third and fourth week, the picture going to be totally different. We're not in a breakout. We're not in a trend like we were here, just going up and going up, going down. Right now we're in a breakout mode. From this, the breakout will be very aggressive. So I am still not bullish. I'm short. I'm not thinking. Like, the case will not be wrong if we go higher. We short this guy, and our stop should be this guy here. Like, 94, 99, something like that, and we can short this guy. It's just 30 points. 30 point stop can give us 100 points at least. It's better to call. We can see 2026 as a swing trade, but I have not taken this trade. I'm just sharing a scenario with you guys. Like, for me, up higher, no way. For me, this bounce is the another opportunity to short the market. For me, we can poke through this green trend line, but still we are not bullish. We are bearish. If this is here, I will go all in to short this market. All in with this top all-time high, 10-point all-time high. That means 2144. If we poke through this, I will go all in shorting this market. It's 50-point stop, but with this 50-point, everybody going to buy, and most of the trend lines at the breakout, these things fail. And when these things fail, we see the sell-off. We're gonna see the bad sell-off here. With 50-point stop, we're gonna make 120, 150 points on the other side. So what I'm trying to say here is that be calm. It's not the time to go aggressive long right now. Again, it's not the time to go aggressive short as well. We're in a breakout mode. So let these guys test this. Let these guys fight whatever they are doing. This was a very beautiful sell-off. After this sell-off, anyhow, the next bounce should be shorted. That's what the price action tells us. So we need to short this to test 264 or 2057. Let's see what we have in our oil. Oil, it'll not be wrong to buy this as a swing trade to test 48.79. Simply go for it. Simply, it's just a buy. There is nothing. We are breaking this previous resistance. We break our blue trend line, and after blue trend line it was just a one trade. Like if you remember yesterday we added this, and I mentioned that we will be testing this blue trend line very soon, and even we can test yesterday, and that's what happened yesterday. We tested, we went up, and right now it's a swing trade, sideways to swing. The final target is 48.50. So it's a long. I have been long from way back. So definitely bull surprised me that we did not test it 40 to 50, but still it's a long. Just go for it. Do not short oil right now. Oil has to test 51 for me way before I can even think to short this guy as a swing. Like it can be a swing. It's a swing long, but it's a scalping for short. But why to short something which is too aggressive? This is too aggressive. Let it go, guys. I have been bullish, I believe, from way back, from 34. I've been mentioning you guys. These are the target. These lines I haven't drawn right now. These lines we have it from way back. So this is the target we are going for. Just go for it. Do not think anything. Just go for it with the right stop. Go for it. This is the breakout point. You can have your stop 45, and then you can go for anything above, and above. And let's see what we have in our gold. Gold, we are testing this right now. If we poke through this, the next level we will be testing is 1257. Right now this price action might look bearish, but in the monthly chart we are very bullish. Like I'm expecting this guy to give some good results. I still remain very bullish on this. This is a beautiful breakout, and after this blue trend line breakout is always a very strong breakout, and this breakout is eventually gonna take us around 1436, but that's a long story. Right now we have some small targets here which are 1309, 1326, 48. We are going higher, very bullish in this. Like we have to go higher. There is no other way in gold. Gold is bullish, very bullish as of monthly. If I'm wrong, I'll share with you guys. It's again a game of probability. It's not that I'm moving the oil or I'm moving this guy. I have been bullish in oil when we were at 32. So today we are at 46. Again, it was a probability. It was not that I moved the oil price. Everybody was looking for all-time high. I was shorting the market. It was again a probability. Right now I can be wrong. There has to be one side of the guy has to be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But as of now, it's a monthly breakout. We need to go higher. There is no, the price action basis will be wrong if we do not go higher. It's as simple as that. Like what we have been taught and what I'm teaching, everything will be it will be not 100% right. It will be questionable that if we do not go higher here. It's a very strong breakout. Something has to happen in the economy to take this guy down here for me. As of now, bullish, definitely bullish from the monthly guy. It's a swing trade. Time to hold is from weeks to months, but eventually above 1400 we are going. Thank you guys. I'll see you on my Twitter account. Good luck. Bye bye.